Create magnetically receptive whiteboard wall covering with our easy-to-use product that allows you to attach magnetic objects and write on and write off using dry erase markers. To get started, you only need few tools. But before that, make sure that the wall is already clean and smooth. To ensure long-term durability, we recommend to put wallpaper glue on the wall and the whiteboard wall covering. Apply an even coat of wallpaper glue on the entire backside of the material using a roller, and make sure to cover the back completely, especially the edges. Then, align the inner edge of the first panel on top of the wall. Squeegee from the center to out. Repeat the same steps for all the panels until you achieve the full covered wall. And trim the excess material from the bottom, sides, and you're done. Above all, use the right tools, the media, preparation, and application technique. Certainly, this will ensure efficient, safe, and profitable installation. Our whiteboard wall covering is designed for fast application and will help you to decorate a space as simple as possible. Whiteboard wall covering, the perfect solution where a large whiteboard material is required to cover a large surface area. Let your ideas stretch across the wall and turn lifeless walls into a boundless floor-to-ceiling interactive wall. Choose Whiteboard Wall Covering. For more information and more informative videos like this, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.